Hi guys, my name is Lou. I am coming to you with a review of my Instasmile veneers. So I ordered the dynamic top and bottom, and I just got them like 2 days ago. So they are brand new. When I first got them, I was so excited. Guys, I am so excited. I am in love. But the reason I wanted to come to you guys and do a review is because I promised myself if I like these things, I'm going to do a review because I'm one of these people who, when I was looking for reviews, I have a lot of issues going on with my mouth. So when I was looking for reviews, I didn't quite see reviews that had all the issues that I had. So I kind of just want to come to you guys because I think that my case is pretty severe. First thing, I have a severe overbite. So that was the first thing. In addition to the severe overbite, I had a huge gap in the center of my teeth. So I had them bonded, so I had it closed. Throughout the years, my teeth started shifting, so I have gaps in between my teeth all across the top. In addition to that, I am a cancer survivor, and in enduring and going through my cancer journey, I went through chemotherapy for an entire year, and with the chemotherapy, my teeth got really loose and brittle. So, right here at the bottom, the first 4 teeth are missing. They were very loose, hanging on by a thread. I said, just take them out of here. So with that, I got lots of stuff going on. And, I sell jewelry. And for me, I do Facebook Lives on a regular basis, and for me, I had just completely lost my confidence. So this is a huge confidence booster. I'm in love, y'all. I'm gonna show y'all my teeth. I promise I'm gonna show y'all my teeth. So let me show you what I was working with pre-Instasmile. Let me take them out of the carrot, just in case. I don't want y'all to have any spit. Anyway, so if you look at my teeth, this one became a little longer because this one actually shifted over. Throughout the years, when I closed my gap, teeth just started shifting. So I got shift on both sides. And then I'm missing 4 teeth at the bottom. So me, of all people, got a lot going on. And like I said, I didn't really see reviews that showed all the stuff that I have going on with my mouth. So I got the platinum, which is now the dynamic. And with the 4 teeth, they just put a little filler there with the missing teeth. So I got the A1. So it has a little tone to it. It's not pearly white. Very natural looking. So I got the A1 Dynamic, which was platinum back then when I first started my journey and getting these. So anyway, those just snap right in. You heard that. Now on my top, again, I had a severe overbite, so I think they did a really good job. What do you guys think? But I have I've eaten like peanut butter crackers with these, and I drink with them. I know the dynamics. I'm not sure about the classics, but the dynamics are very durable. So that's the one thing that I do like. They're extremely durable. I feel like they are definitely gonna last. So I'm so excited. I'm one of the people who I just could not get my impressions right for the life of me. So if you are having problems, I've seen some reviews out there, and most of the negative ones are because you guys are just frustrated with the process of taking an accurate impression. Can't get around it. Can't get around it. I'm going to tell you, embrace the journey, trust the process on these impressions. I tried multiple times for impressions. I started my journey but pre-COVID, and then I got the tops approved, but I just could not get those bottoms approved. I got discouraged. I put it on the back burner, and then I came back. I called him up, said, "Hey, I need my teeth." They said, "Well, what do you want to do? It's been a while. What do you want to do?" I said, "Well, I still need my teeth." She said, "I'll tell you what. I'm going to give you 90 days. We'll send you out another impression kit." I did have to pay for that impression kit, but at that time, it was like a new and improved impression kit. So the same impression kit, you were able to do the multiple times. I promise y'all, I did this bottom. It says you can do the impression about 8 times. I promise I did about 15 times on the bottom. So I love Instasmile, but once you get it right, it is so worth it. So don't get discouraged, guys. Don't get discouraged.